LEAP Story. Lifestyle and Environment Assessment Profiles, LEAP. Our journey began with a personal crisis that led to a breakthrough in understanding the impact of environmental factors and lifestyle choices on health. My wife suffered from severe skin conditions that were not improving, despite numerous visits to various specialists. When she was at her worst, she urged me to find a solution. As she sat on the table in the physician's office, her exact words were, "Daryl, do something." At the time I was an indoor air quality consultant providing services to restoration companies to identify contaminants in homes. Specifically, I tested for mold, lead, asbestos, volatile organic compounds and combustion byproducts. I discovered that our home was filled with harmful contaminants like mold and chemical vapors, which were exacerbating her health issues. After we removed these contaminants, her health improved dramatically. This experience inspired the creation of My Personal Indoor Environment Incorporated, MyPE, in 2017. Initially a non-profit recognized by the CDC, MyPE focused on educating people about how their living environments and lifestyle choices can affect their health, especially concerning chronic conditions like prediabetes as well as other chronic conditions such as cardiovascular disease, hypertension, asthma, allergy, and the effects of lead poisoning. The success of MyPE's programs, which helped many participants reverse their pre-diabetes, highlighted the need for a broader approach. Some questions that arose were: do people really know that their lifestyle choices and environment affect their health? Where is all the in-home lab testing data that reveal levels of exposure being stored, and why are doctors not using this data as information to determine treatment decisions? Would doctors like to have this information for consideration of treatment decisions to prevent or reverse chronic illness? If we collect and monitor this data and provide it to the doctors and patients, will it improve health outcomes? This led to the development of Lifestyle and Environment Assessment Profiles, LEAP. LEAP expands on the work started by MyPE, using a more comprehensive health management platform that integrates environmental and lifestyle near real-time monitoring, which includes indoor air quality, IAQ, nutrition, exercise, social determinants, psychosocial and medical data. This platform aims to give doctors and patients a more complete view of health factors, empowering them to make better health decisions, especially in underserved communities. Now, as we prepare to launch LEAP into the market, we are seeking investment to develop our software and expand our reach. This funding will help us refine our product, strengthen industry partnerships, and enhance our ability to transform healthcare by making LEAP a regular part of medical care.